Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a long time since, I did an unboxing video, and today finally I have something nice to unbox. And basically we'll be unboxing this, but remastered and in a much bigger format, the Earbook format. So I'm really excited to do this. I helped myself in advance by cutting the tape, but I haven't looked inside, so no cheating, don't worry. So let's get this open. Oh yeah, I can already see it inside, but so stressful. Okay, and this little tiny bit. Okay, let's take it out. And there she is, with the beautiful, shiny Nightwish sign. It looks beautiful. And it looks pretty thick, actually. So I think they made the booklet, I guess they added something when compared to original. We'll see in a minute. And here's the disc 1 and 2, which is instrumental thing. 3 are demos and some B-sides and stuff. And disc 4 is the live disc, which I'm excited to hear. Like really excited. So let me get my scissors so I can get rid of the stupid plastic. Yeah, like this. Alright. Wonderful. So here it is without the plastic. I love the shiny thingy here. So here's disc 1. The regular album. Forward by Thomas. Yeah, it looks so amazing in this huge format. Oh, Marco, I'm gonna miss you. Well, I already miss you. Tarja, Thomas. So these look like they're signed, but it's just printed. It's not a real signature. And we do have some added stuff, like some live pics. The tour program for 2004. Wow. Lovely. Now I really wish they did this with every other album, to put a big Earbook remastered version with better sound, because as a collector I just love earbooks and it's the perfect format in my opinion. It looks beautiful, and yeah, I would love to have, let's say, I don't know, Imaginarium in this huge format. Wow, I'm really pleased with this. It looks amazing. And a huge respect to Backstage Rock Shop and to DHL that they managed to deliver this from Finland to Slovakia in just one day. They shipped it yesterday from Finland, from Tampere, and it arrived in my hometown in Slovakia today, a few minutes ago, which is just mind-blowing. So respect. It doesn't happen too often that I get something before it's actually released, and this thing is coming out tomorrow, so I'm really happy and pleased. So now it's time to give it a listen and see what the remaster actually sounds like. And I'll see you in the next video, which will be who knows when. Bye, and buy music, support musicians, and go to concerts if the situation allows. See ya.